everyone. You are watching the Bharat and I am Divya presenting today's news bulletin. Let's start with some important headlines first. PM Modi, Mother Hiraben merged in Panchtatva. Prime Minister Modi led the funeral prayer. WHO worried about the serious condition of COVID in China. Tedros said this on travel restrictions. A sudden fire broke out in the car that collided with the railing. Rishabh Pant was admitted to the hospital. Brazilian great footballer Pele breathed his last at the age of 82 battling cancer. Now news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's mother Hiraben passed away today at the age of 100. Hiraben celebrated his 100th birthday on 18 June this year. During this, PM Modi expressed his feeling through an article for the mother. In this, PM Modi has shared things from the childhood till now, has told how his mother brought him up and took him forward, made him capable that today he is serving the country. PM Modi also told about all the lessons given by the mother. More than 100 students got food poisoning at the medical college campus in Nasik, Maharashtra. About 55 of them are still hospitalized, while others have been discharged after treatment. Around 100 to 125 students of the SMBT Institute of Medical Science and Research Center at Dharmagaon in Igatpuri Taluka of the district complained of the nausea and upset stomach after having the canteen meal on Wednesday. He was then admitted to the campus hospital. According to the police, the contract to operate the canteen is with a private company. The chill of winter has persisted for several days in the plain of northwest India. Due to the effect of moist air on Thursday, there was some respite from the cold in Delhi NCR. Due to this, the day temperature increased and there was a feeling of heat even in winter. At the same time, fog seemed in many areas of Delhi NCR on Friday morning. In Delhi, the maximum temperature is likely to be 21 degree and the minimum temperature will be 8 degree on Friday. Now some international news. Director General of the World Health Organization has expressed concern over the serious condition of corona in China. He said on Thursday that after the relaxing the corona rules in China, a warning situation had arisen. He also expressed his opinion about travel restrictions on China by various countries. WHO Chief Ghebreyesus said that the organization will continue to help in the treatment and vaccinations of corona infected. Aid will be provided to China's crumbling healthcare system. We will continue to encourage tracking the virus and vaccinating those at high risk. At least 19 people have died in the fire at a hotel in Phuket, Cambodia. At the same time, more than 60 people have been evacuated in the injured condition. It has been told that the fire in the hotel was so severe that there was problem in evacuating the people. He was rescued after a lot of effort. The incident took place at the Grand Diamond City Hotel in Phuket. Here, the entire hotel is surrounded by the fire for the last several hours. Many people were also seen jumping from the windows to save their life. We'll be back after a short break.
ITM हमारा, इसमें बहती ज्ञान की गंगा है, इसमें रहती प्रेम की यमुना है, सिद्धांतों का उच्च हिमालय है, भक्ति सिखाता एक तिरंगा है, गुरुकुल जैसा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा.
Welcome back to the Bharat. Moving ahead in the news, let's talk about some major news of Uttarakhand. Indian cricket team star player Rishabh Pant's car met with an accident on Friday morning while returning to Roorkee. The incident is being told at 5:30 in the morning. Rishabh Pant has fractured his leg, his back and forehead are also hurt. Some stitches also have been applied on the forehead. While dragging on the road at the high speed, the car stopped at a distance of about 200 meters. After this, it caught fire. It has been told that the passers-by who reached the spot somehow broke the glass and pulled Rishabh Pant out. On Thursday afternoon in Dehradun, people were startled by the information of murder in a house located on the Mohini Road. According to the information, the killer wrapped the dead body in a quilt and locked it in a snack bar, tying its feet. The incident came to light when the foul smell emanated from the room. The youth was hit on the head with a heavy object. Prima facie, the reason for the murder is being told as a transaction. Suspicion of murder is being raised on his partner only. Now, entertainment news. Vivek Agnihotri, director of the Kashmir File, one of the blockbuster film of this year, keep on taunting someone or the other. Vivek does not shy away from the voicing his opinion on anything, but sometimes it became overwhelming from him to do so. Something similar happened this time as well. Actually, in the past, Vivek Agnihotri made such a comment about the Shah Rukh Khan and Deepika Padukone's film Pathan, and that there was a rux at people about the target him. Now sports news, legendary Brazilian footballer Pele passed away. He was 82-year-old. His dad was confirmed by the daughter Kelly on Instagram. Pele was battling cancer. He had also stopped responding to the chemotherapy treatment. Pele was recently admitted to the hospital where it was found that he also had a respiratory infection. Pele is considered one of the greatest footballer player of all the time and is 3-time World Cup winner. Pele won the FIFA World Cup a total of 3 times, which is still a record for an individual footballer. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the Bharat.